Exercise 10.18 mirror, we're going to write mirror, it's a method, and it's going to accept an array list of type strings as parameter and produce a mirror copy of the list as output. So if we have like A, B, and C are after our mirror call, we should have A, B, C, C, B, A. And this is really, really simple. We're just gonna have a for loop. We're gonna start it at A is equal to 0 because we want to start at the 0th index. Just kidding. We don't want to start at the 0th index. We want to start at the last index. That way, when we add on to our array list, we can get the last index here and put it at the next spot, and then the next to the last and put it at that spot, and that's how we would form this right here. So we could say A is equal to list.size minus 1. Make sure you do the minus 1 because remember, the index is 1 less than the length. So now that we have that here, we just want A to be greater than or equal to 0 because we want to go down to the 0th index. And we'll do A minus minus. Now from here, all we need to do is just add to our list. So we need to do list.add and we're going to add A. That's pretty much it. Let's press submit and see where that takes us. No suitable method found for add. Okay, so we want to do add list.get A. There we go. So this is an index, and this will get us the element at the index, and this will add it to our list as a whole. We need all parts. That'll pass our test, and that's how we would do this exercise.